Hello friends, welcome to CATIA tutorials. Today we are going to make universal joint, and for that whatever parts we are required I have already made. So I will assemble all those parts here only. So let's start. First I will add the main joint from the list. Open. This is the joint. I am going to fix this component and OK. Now next we have to add the fork here, which is in some U shape, or you can say Y shape fork would be there, one here and one other here. Then we have our pin and nut. So let's start with the fork. New component, product. This is part 4. Open. I will place it here and OK. Now we have constraint using this with this and update plus mid, mid surface, this surface along with this surface and update. Now I have some problem with this pocket. I can add it here also and edit like this. That pocket was not fully defined, so I need to edit that. You can edit your part here also. I am going to hide these planes. Right click and hide, and also hide the constraint. Okay, then next we have to add our pin plus not. So let's start. Go back to product part like this. Add new component with positioning. I will add my pin. Open. Just place it here. Okay. Concentric. This with this and mating this surface with this surface, and that's displaced. Now again I have some thing to add it. We can add here. If I want to add it, I can add it from here also. You need not to go back to your. That's it. Like this you can add it. If you have little smaller one, you can add it or you can decrease also. So go back to product again, adding my nut all here. Open. Here it is. I will place it here and OK. Concentric constraint I am using, and then I will update this again. The made surface I will use will this surface with this surface and just update it. Now it is attached. Now similarly what I have to do, I will remove these or hide these planes also, and then I will do the same procedure for the second fork and not hide. Wait a second, I guess I have hide It was hidden by some problem. By mistake I have hide the but need not to hide that. Just hide these planes. Then again we will do the same procedure for this one also. Alright. Part 4. Open. Close. Okay. And then update. Again we use make command for here to zoom little bit. This surface will be made need to mate with this surface. Okay, need to mate and update. That's fine. Now we are left with the pin and the nut. From here, add pin, open, move it a bit above, centric this with this and update. Now make the surface this surface with this surface and update. Now just add the nut from here, open, okay, move it bit away, concentric this axis and the and have to this axis. Okay, and now I will use manipulation and move it in the sunset direction. Okay, now mate surface this surface with this surface and update. Make it isometric view like this. It is done. This is how our joint universal joint is made. Like this, it can rotate like this, and this one will be rotated around y-axis like this. This is the universal joint, and this is the process of assembly for the universal joint. You can I'm rotating all this part. Okay, so that's all for today. We will meet in another video. Thank you and very much.